You can hear me, no? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now, Nazar is there. Hello, Nazar. Yeah. Okay. In the show, yeah, let him call. We will just discuss about this task after the session. Okay. Yeah, he is online. Yes. Nazar also live task. Okay, Kushi. Yes. Kushi, can you hear me? Okay, let's see how we let's start the session. I will just repeat whenever Nazar will come. Okay. Let's see how we just set a custom homepage. Right now, what is our homepage? Whenever we just redirect to a folder root directory, folders root directory means our website's root directory. Drupal is our website name. Okay, so we can get this home page. Okay, we can customize our home page. We can set any other page as a home. Let's see how we do. Just do that. Okay, did you understand the requirement? We are going to customize a home page URL, you can say. Okay, let's go to configuration. For that, within the configuration, site information, there should be option site information and default front page, yeah. Default front page. You can set any other page. Just you have to set the URL means what kind of URL. Let's see. Just want to set mm, this test as a home page. Whatever be the test. Contact. Just test. Copy this test. I cannot able to remove this thing. Did you try to remove or clear URL in your local machine, Kushi? See, you have installed successfully Drupal or not? Just tell me one thing. You have yeah. Okay. Now, do you practice daily basis? Sorry, you have done that thing. So your URL is cleared or hello Nazar? How are you? Yeah, I'm good. Okay, let's start the session, Nazar. What we have done till now, just set default name or default homepage as a text. Nazar, I will just repeat that thing. Let's check, yes. Now test page as a home page or not, Nazar? Kushi, this is our home screen means our root page. Now it is test. Whenever anybody just redirect to our website, then test will appear. Means you can use any other page, all the things. Okay. Now, Nazar, we are just trying to update our home URL. This is the home URL. So yeah, in the home URL, we are getting the test, right? Before that, we are getting any other page. Let me show you. Go to configuration. Means, Nazar, are you there? Hello, Nazar. Yeah. If you want to just add any other page into your home page link, then what you have to do, just go to configuration. Means you have your custom page and you want to just show that page while whenever you just want anybody loads your website or anybody just click on the home tab. So what you have to do, just go to configuration and the site information. Within the site information there is an option here, test. I just said test, that's why right now test is our home page. Before it is the node is kind of content type. So that page, that default page of our Drupal, whenever we install the Drupal, the default page will just automatically created for our home page. So let me show you. Let's remove this. Now our home page will load. Okay, right now our website is like that. Now I just want to customize my home page. Okay, let's create one home page. Not the test. Any other page? Is there any page that is not in about turtle? Okay, let's create one home page. Fine. Add content. Basic page. I'm just creating my custom home page. Okay, basic page. Nazar and Khushi, did you remember when we are just learning, when we was just learning about the WordPress? Here in the body section, there is one editor. From that, we can just we can manage we can give the style to our text box, text, and we can add image, all the things. But in the Drupal by default, there is no any text editor. Okay, we can add that editor by using one module. We will see how we add our editor options. There is some option how to add any HTML tag or any image, or how to style our text boxes, nothing else. Simple things. Okay, let's give the title. I'll just give the home. Home page. Don't give the link. Don't provide a menu link. Okay, just save it. Just save it. I just saved that home page, a basic page. Let it save. Okay, what is the URL? Question mark equals to home. Okay, just copy this home and go to configuration. Yeah, let me just repeat that process again. Go to configuration, site information. Site information, there is a link for home page. Drupal, this is the front page. All front page. Yeah, just paste that home. Okay, so this is the exactly URL or not of our home page. Whatever we have created a basic page, you can see localhost Drupal question mark q equals to home. Yeah, localhost HTTP is by default just for every URL. Okay, localhost Drupal question mark q equals to home. Did you understand, Nazar Khushi? What you have to do is put only home. Whatever you have created the page, I have created home. Click save. Now whenever you load, before there is another page in of a front page, note page. Now demo home page will appear whenever you load your website or you click on home, then this page will appear. Okay, okay Nazar, is there any doubt? Okay, so from this setting, configuration, site setting, you can set a custom page for 403 and 404 also. 403 is one kind of error if anybody is not authorized and trying to access our any secure page. So we can display our custom created page also. Okay, custom styling there, custom image there, and just put the URL here of that page. 404 means if anybody just enter, let me just use test. Test is one of our page. Okay, If anybody just trying to access any page that is the existence of that page is not there, then the test page will be opened automatically. Let me show you. 404 means whatever the page you are trying to access is not available. Okay, did you understand 404? 404 Nazar Khushi. For 40 the error number in context of our web browsing, web development. 404 is the error of not found. Okay, not found means we are just trying to access any page. Okay, what I have done, I just put uh, any URL. It is not available, and I just try to access. One second, why it is okay. .php. It is redirecting because of our setting. It should be display 404 test one. No, this is my this is the configuration. Because of the configuration setting. Zero, no, test two. Right. One second, one second. 404 means the web page is not available, or you have just entered a wrong URL. Yes. Actually, my server setting is that if there is any no URL, then it will just display the XAMPP main home page. Here should be, one second, let me show you. Is that test? Okay, and here just use one more, any symbol, any number, try to access. 22404 means our test page. Yes, what is returning test page? Why it is returning test page? Nazar 404. Let me one second. Let me describe you what is 404. Localhost. There is a folder Khushi. Okay, and even.php. There is a file even.php available. Then it will just show you that particular file. Yeah, there is a file. Within this file there is two text box and one. If you just wrote, if you just wrote a wrong spelling or wrong page name, wrong URL, then it will give you 404. So this is a universal error, you can say, in the web technology. 404 means not found. Not found means that web page is not available or not have existence. Okay, for this website, this web page even one.php is not available, so it is the 404. Okay, not found means 404 in web development, and 403 is for forbidden error, means you are not authorized to access that page. Means if any user is not authorized to access any page and he just put the URL. Okay, so there would be in many sites 403 forbidden error. Okay, 403 for because of the security. Okay, unauthorized user, for an unauthorized user trying to access a secure page, then it could be 403 error. 404 if any user accessing any user a page that is not available, that is not found, so it will give you 404. For any website, for any web technology, everywhere we use 404, 403. Okay, same as in our website, Yes, test or carrier is available. Okay, I just put carrier is available. Okay, so it will just display a carrier page, this page. Okay, now if I just change something, just change the URL carrier 11, then it should give us 404 error or not, but it is just displaying test page. Why? Because I just configured whenever we are getting 404 for our site, so just display node 6 or test. You can write, I just wrote here test. That's why if you don't use anything, then it will give you the by default created not found page by Drupal. Okay, let me show you. Right now it is displaying test because I just said that for our 404 error. Now it will just display a error. Not found, page not found. Okay, page not found. So this it is means it is 404 error. Okay, because carrier 11 is not is in our website. Is there any carrier 11 page? No, we have carrier page. Nazar, do you get the point? Khushi, Khushi, are you there? So 404 for not found, 403 for forbidden means we are anybody trying to access any secure page, means it means unauthorized use. Okay, just secure. So Drupal just provide us we can set any custom page also for 404 and 403. Means you can create a page, you can design as per your requirement and show the message. You can do all the things and just put the URL for that of that page. Right now I'm just putting test. There is one page available. Let me check any other page. One second. That will not, that should not on a menu link. One second. See the URLs. Yeah, home test, contact, about also there, demo article also there. Okay, product. Maybe product is not in our menu link. Okay, product is not in our menu link. So I just use that page. So whenever anybody just get the, okay, can we create a page? One second. One second. One second. Let's create a one page for 404. Basic page. Not available. Not found. Farm. Let's get a not found. Then page for farm. Okay. Let's create a basic page. I don't want to provide a menu link for that page. Just save it. And just copy the URL. Not found. Okay, not hyphen, not dash found. Okay, I just copy this. So this page not found, the basic page not found has been created. This is our page, our demo page for not found URL. Okay, so just put this URL in place of this. So whenever any user just try to access a page that is not available, so that user will get this our custom created not found page. Okay, every time. Now this is the previous setting. Now let's see. I just refresh same thing. We don't have the carrier 11 page not found. Okay, demo page for not found URL. Did you understand, Khushi? Okay, Nazar, is there any doubt? Sorry, 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 Khushi. Khushi, can you ask me? Your voice is breaking. Please, can you ask me again? Yeah, yeah. You are just asking about this setting. This setting, no? Yeah, we have to just use the URL. Right now, it is just using node 9. It will just convert automatically, but you can use directly that you particular URL. Okay, for our home page. What is our not found page? Not hyphen found, not hyphen found. Okay, this just copy this. You can copy, or you can find this from here also. Find content. Go to find contents. How we find the page URL? Okay, how we find the page URL? Just edit it. URL path setting not found. This is the you cannot just copy because of a auto path. Okay, you can see from here also. Okay, the URL, this is the URL. Just put this URL for our this page. Okay, Nazar Khushi, if you don't want to just copy from here, means if you have any confusion, then go to that particular content, just add it and URL path setting. You will get the path of that particular page. Okay, Nazar and Khushi, is there any doubt? Okay, okay, Khushi, can you move ahead or any other doubt? Okay, let's move ahead. So this is the how we can set our custom home page. Custom not found page means 404. Whenever anybody get 404, we can display him our custom. 403 means not found. Okay, just add that thing. 403 access denied, forbidden, or not secure page for that user. Okay, not secure user for that person. Okay, this is because of security 403, and this is because of not found, not availability. Okay, let's move ahead. Okay, let's go in our there's a product page. Where is the navigation? Product. Okay, thing, time. Nazar, you didn't have, you didn't just send me the task. Okay, is there any doubt or anything else regarding task? Any doubt you can ask me? Okay, let's try to complete, no issue. Let's try to complete today. Okay, just providing a menu link for our product page. Yes, means now this page will display, option of this page will display on our menu link also. Now just click on provide a menu link. Just check that checkbox. Save. Why? Now product. Okay, whenever you go to product, then it will display product page. Okay, so if we want to just change the styling of this image, means we want to just bigger image or smaller image, or we can fit the size, or any, if you want to crop the image, if you want to just show you only a part of image, how we just do that. Let's see. Okay, I just want to change the styling of that particular image. Okay, just go to structure, and within the content types, the product manage display, because that is the product type or not, that particular product one. Product is our custom content type. Okay, so the product one is our content type. Product image, then line. Okay, just go to configuration. There will be a more option for that particular image. Image style, thumbnail, medium, large. Okay, I just set it to large. Link image to any content or anything. Right now we are just using nothing. Just click on update, then let's see, just refresh. Okay, just go to places, close it and open that particular product one. Now our image will be a bigger, because we just said it should be bigger. On the product type, which is should be bigger. Let me just remove the cache. Set cache with else and cache. Cache. Maybe the by default large. Let's change. Company. Full content says go to home page. Product. We have an image. That product is product type or not? Yeah. Now it is coming. Actually, that size is by default large. The old configuration is same as it is. That's why it is not just reflecting any changes. Now we just set to thumbnail and it is coming smaller. Okay, and you can set image from the same location. From where? Other, go to structure, we want to just set any image, the styling of any image, if you want to just set, go to structure, content type, and we have right now we have three content type, two article and basic pages by default, which is coming from our within our Drupal, and we have created one product ad type. Okay, so just go to manage display, structure, content type, manage display, and the product image. This is our image feed. Just go to configuration, this setting option, thumbnail. If you want to see the medium, then just use the medium and just update it. Now this is the predefined options: medium, large, thumbnail, and original image. We can create one option also. Did you understand? Okay, let me just show you it is coming or not. Medium size. Cache again. The issue of cache is always in the Drupal side because they use cache for just improve the performance of the Drupal site. So we have used medium, thumbnail 100 medium. Okay, just use large. It should be large again. Let's refresh this. It will just reflect the changes. Reflecting while just to save this also. Sorry. Save. Save. Nazar Kushi, are you there? Yeah. Now it is coming bigger. Now I'm just talking about we can create our custom image style. Custom image style means right now we have how many options in configuration setting? None means original image, thumbnail, medium, and large. Only four options. Okay, we can create our new option and it will just list out here. Within this drop down, if we select that option, then our image will appear as per our according to our need, according to our requirement. Do you understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, did you understand how we change how we can change the styling of image? Till now, do you get the point? Okay. Now let's go to configuration. Styles. Add style. Right now we have three. Okay. Default one is original image and thumbnail, medium, and large. Add style. You can use add style. Adding new style. Style name. Um, image. Product image. product type. Okay, just use product image. Okay, create a new style. So for all product image, we can select the type. So preview. This is 600 pixel wider and 800 pixel taller. You can change these pixels, height and width. Select the effect, product image, product underscore image. Okay, machine name. Now here is the options which can crop, distort, resize, rotate, scale. You can use any option and add. Time. Now you can use pixels. By default it is 600, 800. Right now I'm just using 500, 500, 500 height and 5 pixels are there already. Just use the numbers, 500 height and 500 width. Okay, add effect. Scaling will maintain the ratio aspect. Save that thing and save this style also. Okay, save. Go to content type is structure. Sorry, structure. There's our content types and manage display of our product. From here we get these. Before we are getting one default original image and three other different things. Now let's see. Click on this. Okay, image style. Now we are getting product image type or not? We have created this type. Okay, in within this type our image will be displayed 500 by 500. Okay, this will just a little bit bigger. That's why maybe the changes cannot see the changes, the reflection of changes. That will be saved. Yeah, it is saved. Let's save it also. No, yeah, it is saved. Just refresh it. Product 20 pixel bigger in the height and in the width. Nothing else. Yeah, that's why it will not just see like here. It is 500. Okay, you can see from here. If we want to see the HTML code of our page, just right click and inspect element. Width 300 and height. No, it is not showing the correct. Okay, okay. Let's discuss about should be 500. Yes, selected. One second, Nazar Kushi. Try again, otherwise we will just discuss about this tomorrow. How we create, okay, you understand how we change the configuration setting, what is whatever with the available setting. Okay, we will just see how we set a new configurations. Okay, Nazar Khushi, are you there? Yeah. Today we just discuss how we set custom home page, custom 404 not found page, and 403 also we can set if you want. Okay, and it's coming. It's not coming back because it should be 500 and 500. Okay, and we just said how we just check our our default setting and how we set into our image field. Okay, for particular content type, it would be a custom created content or it would be any our default content. Okay, so tomorrow we will just see how we set a custom style type for image and how, and in tomorrow also we will just see how we get that editor in the WordPress. We have one editor or not in the text area section, or you can say the body section in the article. Okay, in the article there will be a editor. Right now it is a simple text box. There is no option to edit our text, no option to edit the bold or text, italic, make the italic, make them bold. No editor to add any HTML tag, any image. There is nothing. Okay, so we will just see how we add our editor. There is a editor, CK editor available. We will add using our module. We install a module and there is some other settings also after installing. Okay, Nazar Kushi. Okay, that's it for the session. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Keep sharing. Which checkbox? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Sorry, sorry. MySQL I fetch row. Yeah, yeah. Fetch row. Expect parameter one to be MySQL I result. Okay. Before that function, before that function, you have used any select query? Yeah, you have used select query, but your select query is not right, means it is not returning any data. Yeah, you are pass and you are just passing any variable, whatever it is returning, and passing that variable into the MySQL row. Okay, so but that variable don't have data. That variable don't have data. That have only true and false. That have only false. Actually, whenever you just use MySQL underscore query, whenever you just execute MySQL underscore query, then it will return either data or false. Okay, so maybe your select query is not correct, that's why it is returning false, and you are passing that variable into MySQL I underscore fetch. So it is just showing you that parameter 1 to be MySQL result, mean there should be data into the variable, but you are just giving boolean value. Boolean means true false type. So we you have to check your query, just debug your query, just echo your query. Okay, and try to run that particular that query into the database SQL section. If within the database it is running successfully, then you can use in your code section in your PHP file. Okay, did you get the point? Means just check select query, just check select query. Okay, yes. Yeah, just try to debug your select query. Okay, first how we debug, if you want to debug, how we debug, just echo that particular query and die and just copy that query whatever we is generating, put the query into the HTML admin SQL and just put and just click on go, then it will execute. It will just show you result. If there is any syntax error, then it will give you the information about that. Okay. Okay, just try to complete the task. Nazar and Khushi. Actually, we have more tasks, so we have to complete today. Actually, Ronak sir will going to ask me today itself if you are completing the task or not. So I have to give the answer. Okay, try to complete the task. Khushi Nazar. Okay, okay, that's it for the session. Bye bye Nazar, Khushi. Just please be online. We will just discuss about your task. Okay, Nazar. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Yeah, Khushi. Now, this is your first page, a simple page, nothing else. Your event.php. I just created a page. You can give any name, no issue. So, if any user just enter any 13 to 100, so we have to just show in this page. Right now, it is not. I didn't create that show task. Okay, I just created one page. Show event.php. So I have to give that page name, show event.php. Okay, see, now it will redirect us to show event.php. Use a method name. If you don't use any method name, then it will just use directly get method. Okay, by default it will use get method. So if you are not using any method, then it will use get method. So you can catch the data from, it will just throw the data value variable and value combination or not. Value 1 is the name of our first text field, and the value 2 is the name of our second text field. So this is the variable, and the whatever user enter into that particular text box is the value. Okay, so this is the value. Now, yeah, dollar underscore get, you have to write dollar underscore get in the value. Yes, whatever be the name you have given for your, yeah, for your text box, this will return the value, particular value. So you can cast that value into one variable, dollar value one, any name, user defined name. Okay, copy this, control B, control B, value 2 and value 2. Why I am using within the get method value 1 and value 2? Because that these are the name of our text boxes, the value 1 and the value. Okay, whatever be the name you will give, just use that the same names. Hello, hello, yeah, you can, you echo also, then it will display that you don't have. I'm just echoing just for debugging, nothing else. Right now it will just display the same values whatever the user to the text box. Show, refresh this user tag. Okay, 24 and 490. Now I have to create one logic to just display even numbers from the first text value to the second text value. The range means within the first page we just set the range, and within the second page we just display the even numbers, okay, within that particular range. Now you understand or not? Is there any confusion? Yeah, show dot yeah, the logic you have to put into this show dot page in the second page, whatever is the page. Okay, how you create the logic? You have to use for loop, or you can use while loop also. Okay, for loop or while loop. What you have to do? You got the requirement or not? Just tell me what you have to do. Yeah. Okay, if any user comes to that first page, he entered 3 to 3 to 300, 100. Okay, now what you have to do? What is your task? What should be your logic? Yes, all the even numbers from 3 to 100, it should display on our second page. Okay, just don't use this echo. Yeah, I just use that echo. Yeah, I have removed echo just for the okay. You can use for loop. Yeah, not here, not for that variable. So you have to use echo within the loop. If you want to, you have to print the value, even values or not. If you get the even value, just print that particular value. Okay. Yeah, that particular even. Yeah, you can use while loop or for loop. Yeah, for loop is maybe convenient for you for this task. Okay, just try to implement the logic, and you can send me mail. Yeah, I'm in the office till 1 hour. Send me, I can reply you within 1 hour. Okay, Babaji, that's it for the session.